Let's have a look at critical systems validation. We are trying to validate, or we are validating the reliability, safety, and security of our computer-based systems. The motive behind doing reliability validation, we want to check if the measured reliability of the system meets its specification, and if the reliability of the system is good enough to satisfy users. Imagine you purchase a refrigerator which has a control unit, and this control unit will burn out in a year or so. अगर आप मार्केट का एनालिसिस करें तो rest of the world, let's say XYZ was a company which was giving a control unit or a refrigerator with a control unit of having 1 year reliability. और मार्केट में बाकी जो ABC, अल्फा ब्रावो, ये सारे रेफ्रिजरेटर्स थे जो कि लाइफ लॉन्ग वारंटी दे रहे थे अगर इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉक ना हो. तो इवेंचुअली हमारे पास दो आपके पास आ गए पैरामीटर्स. पहला कि जी क्या स्पेसिफाइड था, क्या स्पेसिफिकेशन ही कह रही थी कि जी कम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 साल चल जाए, तो ठीक है. अगर स्पेसिफिकेशन सेज कि relative to the market demand, relative to the market products available in the market, it should work fine, तो ये आपका reliability fail कर गया. Next, satisfy users. Users are expecting a kind of a product that gives reliability of lifelong reliability. If it is not there, then the product which we were testing, or product which was in our hand for quality control, quality assurance, has failed. Considering the safety validation, does the system always operate in such a way that the accidents do not occur, or that the accident consequences are minimized? God forbid something goes wrong, the accident, अब आप देखें आपके घर में जो इलेक्ट्रिक वायरिंग है, इफ सो हैपन्स कि किसी को इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉक पड़ जाए, तो सर्किट ब्रेकर विल स्विच इटसेल्फ ऑफ, दैट सर्किट विल बी स्विच्ड ऑफ ऑटोमेटिकली. Consequence of the accident is minimized. We want systems which can find out that there is a safety breach or safety issue. Now they will shut themselves down, or they'll try to arrive at a situation which is safe in its operation. Security validation. System and its data is secure against the external attack. देखिए इन दोनों में फर्क क्या है. Safety is against the internal malfunction, whereas the security is against the external attack.